Welcome back to my channel, y'all, and today we're doing a copycat shrimp montage, which is a Pappadeaux special. And Pappadeaux is where my husband proposed to me 9 years ago this month, in the very spot we met. We even did our engagement photos there. Hey babe. And so this place is near and dear to our hearts, and God brought us together. But let me tell you, so did the shrimp montage, y'all. This dish is so, y'all, when I say good, this is literally my favorite dish of all time, the best thing I've ever ate. And they stopped serving it, but I got you covered. I have the recipe, and I'm going to have it listed under my restaurant Copycat, so make sure you check it out. Let's go. So I'm starting with some U12, so colossal shrimp, the larger the better. Also some butter club crackers, and then I have a fresh shallot, fresh parsley and green onion, salted butter, and then I also have almond flour. Now if you don't have almond flour, get some almonds and pulse them up. It is necessary for this dish. Old Bay seasoning and cayenne, and then I have some shredded parm and Romano, and then I also have some premium lump crab, and I got this from Sam's, and it is so good, y'all. And lastly, ground white pepper. So I'm gonna crush my crackers, and then I am going to add in my almond flour, and all the measurements will be in the description box, so don't worry. Crush and chop and add your fresh herbs into your mixture, and add everything but the butter and the crab. So just gonna grate the shallots. I don't want to have anything that's too overwhelming that will take away from the crab, and then I'm gonna set that aside. So I'm gonna get to butterflying the shrimp, and you just cut the backs and don't go all the way through. And that is that simple, you guys. And while I do that, go ahead and use this opportunity to click that subscribe button if you have not already. And thank you so much to those who already have. I appreciate you guys so much. So once you have those butterflied, you can add in your butter and then give it a mix. So I'm gonna add in just half of the container, which is half of a pound, and you want to gently fold that in so that you don't break up the lumps, okay? And we ultimately had 18 of the colossals out here because they're good. Y'all need to make it extra. So I'm using my little baby cookie scoop just to measure it out, and then I'm going to place them on top and use the tail to kind of hold it in place. And you can also, I think if you go smaller, I would say go no smaller than 16/20s, okay? Because you want to make sure that you have enough surface space to be able to add your crab. So here I put some more shredded on top, but I also put some slices of provolone. And so I lost the footage, but you know, it kind of gives you an idea of what they should look like. And then it goes into the oven, and y'all, out of the oven, here you go. They are so delicious, y'all. And again, when I tell you, this is probably going to be the best thing that you've ever eaten in your entire life. I put my money on it, y'all. I'm just saying. So make sure you try this recipe out. Also hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, you guys. And remember, new recipes every week. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my new video. Bye, y'all.